In the vast expanse of space, a moment of wonder unfolded. It was December 7, 1972. The crew of Apollo 17, on their voyage to the moon, turned their cameras back towards home. There, bathed in the soft light of the sun, was our Earth. A swirling sphere of blue and white, it hung suspended against the black canvas of space. This image, now known as the blue marble, would change our view of our planet forever. The blue marble was more than a photograph, it was a revelation. For the first time, humanity saw Earth not as a divided map of countries and continents. We saw it as a single, interconnected entity. The image captured the delicate beauty of our planet. It highlighted the life-giving swaths of blue oceans, the swirling patterns of clouds, and the continents painted in shades of green and brown. The image resonated across the globe. It was printed in newspapers, displayed in classrooms, and shared by millions. The blue marble became a symbol of unity, reminding us that we are all crewmates on this remarkable vessel we call Earth. It sparked a new wave of environmental awareness, underscoring the importance of protecting our fragile planet. Seeing Earth from space had a profound effect on the Apollo 17 astronauts. Harrison Schmitt, the lunar module pilot, later remarked, "It's a very thin atmosphere. It's almost as if you could reach up and just wipe it off." His words echoed the sentiment felt by many who saw the blue marble. Earth, once perceived as vast and indestructible, was revealed to be finite and vulnerable. The astronauts' observations resonated with scientists who had been studying the planet's delicate systems. The image provided a stark visual representation of Earth's atmosphere, a thin veil protecting all life from the harshness of space. This newfound perspective fueled scientific inquiry into the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the potential impact of human activity. The blue marble helped to solidify the concept of spaceship Earth, a term popularized in the 1960s. This idea, that Earth is a closed system with finite resources, gained traction as people grappled with the implications of the image. It underscored the need for sustainable practices and responsible stewardship of our planet. Since that pivotal moment in 1972, our ability to observe Earth from space has advanced dramatically. From the handheld Hasselblad cameras used by the Apollo astronauts, we have moved to sophisticated satellites equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors. These technological marvels orbit our planet, constantly capturing images and data that provide unprecedented insights into Earth's systems. Satellites like the Deep Space Climate Observatory, launched in 2015, now capture full-disk images of Earth every 2 hours. These images are not mere snapshots. They are captured in multiple wavelengths, allowing scientists to study a range of phenomena, from cloud patterns and weather systems to the health of our oceans and forests. The data collected by these satellites helps us track changes in the environment, predict natural disasters, and better understand the impact of human activities. The evolution of space observation has been instrumental in advancing our understanding of climate change. Satellites provide irrefutable evidence of the planet's warming trend. They track the shrinking of glaciers and ice sheets, the rising sea levels, and the increasing frequency of extreme weather events. The data they collect is critical for informing policy decisions and guiding our efforts to mitigate the effects of climate change. The stark reality of climate change is clearly visible when we compare the 1972 blue marble to images taken today. One of the most dramatic changes is the shrinking of the Antarctic ice sheet. This massive ice sheet, which covers nearly 14 million square kilometers, plays a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate and sea levels. Images taken by satellites over the past 5 decades reveal a worrying trend. The Antarctic ice sheet is losing mass at an accelerating rate. Large chunks of ice are breaking off and melting into the ocean, contributing to rising sea levels. Scientists estimate that if the entire Antarctic ice sheet were to melt, it would raise global sea levels by about 60 meters, inundating coastal communities worldwide. The shrinking of the Antarctic ice sheet is just one example of the profound changes our planet is undergoing due to climate change. Satellites also document the retreat of glaciers in mountainous regions, the thawing of permafrost in the Arctic, and the increasing intensity of wildfires around the globe. These visible changes serve as a stark reminder of the urgency to address climate change and protect our planet for future generations. While climate change casts a long shadow, it is not the only human impact visible from space. Our cities sprawl across the landscape, glowing beacons of human activity visible even from orbit. Shipping lanes, once faint lines on the ocean, are now brightly illuminated by the lights of cargo ships crisscrossing the globe. And the scars of deforestation and mining operations are etched into the surface of our planet. The expansion of urban areas is particularly striking. Megacities with populations exceeding 10 million are growing at an unprecedented rate, consuming vast amounts of resources and placing a strain on the environment. The bright lights of cities, while a testament to human ingenuity, also highlight the growing disconnect between humanity and the natural world. The view from space provides a sobering reminder of the extent to which human activities are transforming the planet. It underscores the need for sustainable practices and responsible resource management to ensure the health and well-being of both humanity and the natural world. Astronauts who have had the privilege of viewing Earth from space often describe a profound shift in perspective known as the overview effect. Removed from the distractions of everyday life, they see Earth as a unified whole, a fragile oasis teeming with life in the vastness of space. This experience evokes a deep sense of awe, interconnectedness, and responsibility for our planet. Helen Sharman, the first British astronaut, eloquently described her experience. "Having been in space, I've seen the world as a whole, and it makes me realize we all have to work together." Her words reflect the common thread that runs through the testimonies of astronauts from diverse backgrounds and cultures. The overview effect is not limited to those who have journeyed to space. We can all experience it, to some degree, by contemplating images of Earth taken from afar. The blue marble, in particular, has the power to evoke a sense of wonder and responsibility, reminding us of our shared home and the need to protect it. The blue marble, since its release in 1972, has transcended its origins as a photograph. It has become a powerful symbol of unity, fragility, and environmental consciousness, woven into the fabric of popular culture and inspiring countless individuals to action. The image has been featured on postage stamps, in documentaries, and on the covers of countless books and magazines. It served as a powerful visual aid in Al Gore's groundbreaking documentary, An Inconvenient Truth, which brought the urgency of climate change to the forefront of public awareness. The blue marble has also inspired countless environmental campaigns, urging individuals and governments to take action to protect our planet. Beyond its cultural influence, the blue marble has sparked a surge in scientific research and innovation. It has fueled the development of new technologies for observing Earth from space, leading to a deeper understanding of our planet's systems and the challenges it faces. The image continues to inspire new generations of scientists, engineers, and environmentalists to dedicate their lives to protecting our pale blue dot. While the view from space provides a valuable perspective on the state of our planet, it is important to remember that it is only one piece of the puzzle. Satellite imagery, while incredibly powerful, must be complemented by ground-based research and observation to gain a comprehensive understanding of environmental changes. Scientists rely on a network of ground-based sensors, weather stations, and field studies to validate and contextualize the data collected from space. This ground-truthing process is essential for ensuring the accuracy of satellite data and for understanding the local impacts of global environmental changes. The combination of satellite imagery and ground-based research provides a powerful toolkit for monitoring the health of our planet. It allows us to track changes in real time, identify areas of concern, and develop effective strategies for conservation and restoration. As we look back on 50 years of observing Earth from space, the changes our planet has undergone are undeniable. Climate change is no longer a distant threat, but a present reality, and the visible impacts of human activity are etched across the surface of our planet. Yet, amidst these challenges, there is also hope. The blue marble, a symbol of our planet's fragility, also serves as a powerful reminder of its resilience and the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. The global environmental movement, sparked in part by that iconic image, continues to gain momentum, uniting people from all walks of life in a shared commitment to protecting our planet. The future of our pale blue home rests in our hands. By embracing sustainable practices, reducing our environmental footprint, and working together to address climate change, we can ensure that future generations inherit a healthy and vibrant planet. Let us honor the legacy of the blue marble by becoming responsible stewards of our shared home, preserving its beauty and wonder for generations to come.